Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at the most common used sounds in Psytrance only using a saw wave. So let's dive in. So we'll be using Vital. Okay, cool. So the first one is very simple. Filter on LFO onto the cutoff at a bar, smooth down, and the filter just opens up. We can drop the octave. We can go even lower. We turn the LFO so it goes one way, in one direction. And then we can throw out reverb, distortion, some delay after the distortion, 1/8 dotted, or 1/4. What is cool is if we let it come down just at the end. And we make this a bit smoother. Let's make it a bit longer. I think I like it one octave down. Okay, so that is the first sound using the saw wave. Next, we will dive into let's turn the effects off, or we can leave it on. Just get the LFO back. Instead of it going onto the cutoff, you put the LFO. Let's just use the saw down, and you put it onto the pitch. Onto the pitch. A bit faster. Let's make some smaller notes. So this will be your zaps. It's octave up. Let's open up the filter, so a little band pass. So yeah, that is your zap with the saw wave. Next, we can look at the sample and hold alien talking noise effect with the same wave. So let's remove the LFO from the pitch. Remove. Okay, band pass, same. So we'll draw about the 8th step. So it's a stepping filter, and the stepping filter goes onto the cutoff. just turn this back up. It's a bit fast. Very high. Throw effects on it as well. And by changing the pattern, of course, you'll get different results. And then we can just add the step filter as a gate. Onto the volume. So LFO 3 onto the level, make it full. Then we can add the delay. So these are all your common sounds just using the simple saw wave. And then the last one, let me just init preset, initialize preset, back to normal. The FM, so this one you lose a second oscillator. You can change this to the sine wave, and you go FM from oscillator 2, turn the level off. And then just decide how much you want of the FM. With the effects, we can add some distortion, some OTT, some reverb, too much, EQ down the lows. We can just leave it. And that is the classic FM that you hear in most tracks as well. You can just decide how big you want it or smaller. We can add some delay if you want as well. And then as well, normally you just use the high pass, but you can use the band pass as well. Thanks for watching, guys.